Welcome to online lecture series. This is Dr. K. Ramesh, Professor of Mathematics at the Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today our topic is multiple integrals, continuation lecture 3, problems continuation 6. Evaluate double integral xy, x plus y dx dy for the area between y is equal to x square and y is equal to x. So the solution is given curves y is equal to x square, is a parabola, symmetric about y axis, y equal to x square is a parabola symmetric about y axis. Y is equal to x is a straight line passing through the origin, So we have to calculate intersecting points of these two curves. Y is equal to x square, y is equal to x. Left sides are equal. So x square is equal to x. X square minus x is equal to 0. Common x. We get x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Substituting x value here, this curve and this curve, what that means? Y is equal to 0. Substituting x value here, we get y is equal to 1. So, intersecting points are 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So, draw the diagram. X, 0, x dash, y. This is your parabola. Y is equal to x square. This is your straight line passing through the origin. Y is equal to x. This point is 0, 0. This point is 1, 1. What is your required region? This is your required region. So here double integral is given xy into x plus y dx dy. No limits are there. We have to calculate limits. If we want y limits, take an elementary step parallel to y axis. Take an elementary step parallel to y axis. So y limits means we have to first integrate with respect to y, second integration with respect to x. If we want x limits, take elementary step parallel to x axis. So suppose y is consider elementary step parallel to y axis. Here, what is y value? This is parabola equation. So y is equal to here x square. Here y is equal to x. So y limits are y is equal to x square, comma y is equal to x. Strip limits. This is variable strip. Moving the strip like this. Here the length is very, very less. Big length, very, very less length. So how to get the x limits? Moving the strip along x axis to cover the dotted region. X is equal to 0 here to x is equal to 1. So y limits are x square to x. X limits are 0 to 1. Note down. So intersecting points are 0, 0, 1, 1. Y limits are y is equal to x square from the diagram. Y is equal to x. X limits are x equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So y is equal to 0 to 1, x square to x, xy into x plus y. Y limits. So first we write dy. Next dx. 0 to 1, x square to x square y plus x y square dy. So first integrate with respect to y, x square constant, y integration y square by 2. So x square y square by 2 plus this is x into y square integration y cube by 3. X square to x. Substitute upper limit. Instead of y you write x upper limit. X square into x square x power 4 by 2 plus x cube into x power 4 by 3 minus lower limit x square whole square x power of 4 into x square x power of 6 by 2 minus x power of 6 into x power of 7 by 3 dx. Note down. So integral x power of 4, x power of 5 by 5, 5 into 2, 10, x power of 5 by 10 plus integral x power of 4, x power of 5 by 5 into 3, 15. Integral x power of 6, x power of 7 by 7, 7 into 2, 14. X power of 7 integration, x power of 8 by 8, 8 into 3, 24. Upper limit, substituting upper limit here, instead of x rate 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 minus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 24. Take LCM and simplifying we get 3 by 56. Here lower limit, putting x is equal to 0, lower limit we get 0, need not write. So upper limit, put x is equal to 1 and simplify it, we get 3 by 56. Note down. So problem 7, evaluate double integral x plus y whole square dx dy over the area bounded by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is your ellipse equation. X 0 x dash, y 0 y dash. This is x square by a square is there. So a 0 point, this is minus a 0 point, 0 b point, 0 minus b point. No limits here. We have to find the limits of the integral. Suppose if we want to find y limits, first consider an elementary strip parallel to y axis. On the ellipse, y is equal to, this is the fourth quadrant, y negative. This is first quadrant, y positive. So minus b by a, already we get plus or minus b by a. So minus b by a root of a square minus x square, y is equal to b by a root of a square minus x square. This is your ellipse equation. From this ellipse equation, y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square. So a square minus x square by a square. Cross multiplying, y square is equal to b square by a square into a square minus x square. So y is equal to plus or minus b by a root of a square minus x square. Y limits are minus b by a root of a square minus x square to y is equal to b by a root of a square minus x square. How to get x limits? Put y is equal to 0 in the ellipse equation. We get x square by a square is equal to 1. Cross multiplying, x square is equal to a square. X is equal to plus or minus a. So x limits are x is equal to minus a. To moving the strip to cover the entire ellipse along x axis, minus a to a. These are the x limits. X is equal to minus a, x is equal to a. Note down. So I is equal to integral minus a to a integral minus b by a root of s square minus x square to b by a root of s square minus x square. Given function is x plus y whole square dy dx. First with respect to y limits, these are y limits. With respect to y, these are x limits. Next with respect to x plus y whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab formula, you write x square plus y square plus 2xy dy dx. With respect to y, 2x constant. Y is odd function. Y of means odd function. Y square even function, x square into 1 means even function. So x square constant but into 1 is even function. So combining x square plus y square is even function. This y is odd function. That's why observe the intermediate formula. Integral minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. If f of x is even function, is equal to 0 if f of x is odd function. This is the odd, this integral is 0 for that. This is even, 2 into, we get 0 to b by a root of a square minus x square. Now, you common to write minus a to a, x square constant, integral dy is y. So, x square y plus y square integration y cube by 3. 0 to b by a root of a square minus x square. 2 into integral minus a to a. Instead of y, you write b by a root of a square minus x square. Instead of y, you write b by a root of a square minus x square, b cube by 3a cube. Root of a square minus x square whole cube dx. Note down. So 2 into 2, how to get to this 2? X square is even function. Root of a square minus x square is even function. So even into even function, we get again even. A square minus x square is even. So you write minus a to a can be written as 2 into 0 to a. 0 to a, common b by a, common b cube by 3a cube. From above step, we get this one. So put x is equal to, a square minus x square is there. So a square is there. So put x is equal to a sin theta dx. A sin theta derivative cos theta d theta. How to get lower limit? Lower limit, actually lower limit x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Right here. 0 to equal. So x is equal to 0. A sin theta is equal to x 0. Sin theta 0 by a 0. So sin theta 0 means theta is equal to 0. Upper limit x is equal to a implies a sin theta is equal to a. Sin theta is equal to a by a is equal to 1. Theta pi by 2. Sin 90 pi by 2. Sin 90 1. So theta is equal to pi by 2. So limits okay. Now a square minus x square value, a square minus a square sin square theta, a square common, 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So a square cos square theta, root of a square minus x square, root of this value a square cos square theta, so a cos theta. A square minus x square whole power 3 by 2, a square cos square theta whole power 3 by 2, 2 cancel, a cube into cos cube theta. Very, very important formula in integration. Don't write sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Sin 4 theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 whole square. Don't apply a minus b whole square formula. Very, very lengthy procedure. So, very important formula. Nice formula is there, Wallis formula. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Sin 4 of n theta d theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos 4 of n theta d theta. Both for both same formula. N minus 1 by n into subtracting 2. N minus 3 by n by 2 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. The step end with 1 by 2, you write into pi by 2. The step end with 2 by 3, write into 1. This case n is even, this case n is odd. So very, very important and easy to get calculations values in different problems. Note down. Substituting these values in the above, we get our I is equal to 4 into b by a integral 0 to pi by 2 a square sin square theta x square root of a square minus x square is a cos theta dx means a cos theta d theta plus b cube by 3a cube 0 to pi by 2 a square minus x square whole power 3 by 2 value a cube cos cube theta dx value a cos theta d theta 4 into a square a power 4 b by a 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta to cos theta into cos theta cos square theta d theta. Here a cube into a power 4 b cube by 3a cube 0 to pi by 2 cos power 4 theta d theta. 4 into a cancel a cube by a cube b 0 to pi by 2 you write, don't write sin theta cos theta whole square lengthy procedure. You simply write cos theta is 1 minus sin square theta d theta. You write the step a cube cancel a b cube by 3 write as it is. Now separate it sin square theta d theta sin power 4 d theta. Now use values formula. Here even. So n minus 1 by n 2 minus 1 by 2 1 by 2 into and with 1 by 2 means into pi by 2. Here n minus 1 4 minus 1 3 by 4 n minus 1 by n. So 3 by 4 into decreasing by 2 we get 1 by 2 and with 1 by 2 means into pi by 2 ab cube by 3 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So 4 a cube b into pi by 4 3 pi by 16 pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 16 pi by 4 3 pi by 16 plus ab cube by 3 this is 3 pi by 16 3 pi by 16 bracket. Next step we get 4 into a cube b LCM 16 4 pi minus 3 pi by 16. This is 3 cancel pi ab cube by 16 pi a cube ab cube by 16. Here 4 cancel here 4 times 4 pi minus 3 pi a cube b by 4. Here 4 cancel pi ab cube by 4. You common pi by 4 ab pi by 4 ab. We get a square plus b square. This is very important problem. Observe carefully, learn carefully, practice. Okay, thank you very much.